Are you ready to embark on a side hustle journey? Before you jump in, make sure you lay the foundation for success with these essential first 5 steps. In this video, we break down the crucial elements that can make or break your side hustle. From goal setting and market research to financial planning and branding, we'll guide you through each step with practical tips and expert advice. Don't let your side hustle dreams fizzle out. Learn the secrets to starting strong and positioning yourself for long-term success. Watch now and take the first leap towards your side hustle triumph. While having a light bulb idea can certainly ignite the spark for a side hustle, it is not the only path to success. A side hustle can be built on various foundations, including leveraging existing skills, tapping into passions and interests, identifying market gaps, or even offering unique combinations of existing services or products. Instead of waiting for a single groundbreaking idea, consider exploring your strengths, talents, and areas of expertise. Reflect on your passions and interests to uncover potential avenues for a side hustle. Look for problems or unmet needs in the market that you can address with your skills or knowledge. Research industry trends and consumer demands to identify opportunities that align with your abilities. Remember, a side hustle doesn't have to be revolutionary to be successful. Many successful ventures start small, gradually evolving and adapting over time. Focus on providing value, exceptional customer experiences, and solving real problems. Continuous learning, adaptability, and a willingness to iterate are often more critical than a single light bulb moment. Ultimately, the key is to take action and start. Explore different ideas, test them out, and iterate as you gain feedback and insights. A successful side hustle is often a result of hard work, dedication, and a willingness to adapt along the way. So, don't wait for a singular light bulb idea. Instead, focus on taking steps to launch and refine your side hustle based on your unique strengths, passions, and market opportunities. Investing in your skills and tools is an ongoing process. As your side hustle evolves and market trends shift, continue to allocate resources to stay relevant and maintain a competitive edge. Stay attuned to emerging technologies, industry developments, and customer preferences to adapt your investments accordingly. In this dynamic landscape, the potential for growth and success is limitless. By harnessing the available financial resources to propel your skills and polish your tools, you'll position yourself as a force to be reckoned with in your industry. Don't miss out on the opportunities that await. Watch this insightful video now and unlock the true potential of your side hustle. Before we dive into more details for each of those 5 reasons in the video, please don't forget to support our channel, subscribe, like, and feel free to comment below. Step 1. Surround yourself with people smarter than you. Building a network of brilliant minds is a transformative first step towards side hustle excellence. Seek out mentors, advisors, and like-minded individuals who excel in areas you aspire to master. Engage with communities, attend networking events, and leverage online platforms to connect with these individuals. Surrounding yourself with intellectually stimulating individuals will accelerate your learning, expose you to diverse perspectives, and inspire you to push your boundaries. Learn from their experiences, seek their guidance, and absorb their wisdom to propel your side hustle forward. Step 2. Rethink how money works. Challenge conventional notions about money and cultivate a fresh perspective on financial success. Start by enhancing your financial literacy through books, courses, and resources that provide insights into personal finance, investments, and wealth creation. Embrace budgeting techniques to gain control over your expenses and savings. Explore intelligent investment strategies tailored to your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Diversify your income streams by exploring additional revenue sources, such as passive income opportunities or leveraging your skills in freelancing. By mastering the principles of money management and wealth creation, you'll build a solid financial foundation that supports the growth and sustainability of your side hustle. Step 3. Create systems and processes. Efficient operations are essential for the success of any side hustle. Establishing robust systems and processes streamlines your workflow, improves productivity, and ensures consistent quality. Begin by analyzing your workflow and identifying areas that can benefit from standardization or automation. Document procedures, create checklists, and utilize project management tools to enhance organization and collaboration. Automate repetitive tasks using technology and software solutions to free up time for more strategic activities. By creating a well-structured and efficient operational infrastructure, you'll increase productivity, minimize errors, and optimize resource allocation, enabling your side hustle to scale and thrive. Step 4. Maximize efficiency. Time is a precious resource in the side hustle journey, and maximizing efficiency is crucial. Start by evaluating your time management habits and identifying areas for improvement. Set clear goals and prioritize tasks based on their impact and urgency. Adopt productivity techniques such as the Pomodoro technique, time blocking, or the Eisenhower matrix to enhance focus and minimize distractions. Delegate tasks whenever possible to leverage the strengths and capabilities of others. Embrace technology tools that facilitate collaboration, task management, and communication. Continuously refine your workflow and identify opportunities for optimization. By maximizing efficiency, you'll accomplish more in less time and create space for innovation, creativity, and strategic growth. Step 5. Repeat and iterate for continuous growth. The journey towards side hustle excellence is an ongoing process that requires adaptability and a growth mindset. Regularly assess your progress, celebrate successes, and analyze failures as learning opportunities. Seek feedback from customers, mentors, and peers to gain insights into areas of improvement. Stay attuned to market trends, evolving customer needs, and emerging technologies that can impact your industry. Embrace a culture of continuous learning by attending workshops, webinars, and industry conferences. Experiment with new strategies, test hypotheses, and be open to pivoting when necessary. Adapt your approach based on the insights gained, and iterate your business model, product offerings, or marketing strategies accordingly. By embracing a mindset of continuous growth and innovation, you'll stay ahead of the competition, seize new opportunities, and achieve sustainable long-term success. Embark on this transformative journey towards side hustle excellence by implementing these 5 key steps. Let them serve as guideposts on your path to success, helping you build a strong network, optimize your financial strategies, create efficient systems, maximize productivity, and foster a culture of continuous growth. With determination, perseverance, and a commitment to excellence, your side hustle will flourish and fulfill its true potential. Thank you for joining us. We hope you found the information valuable and empowering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on personal finance, investing, and retirement planning.